when a display can capture attention from both sides. The visual impact becomes truly different. Today, we introducing the IF500 Indoor Double-Sided LED Display. The double-sided design allows your content to be shown in two directions at once, with high resolution, a high refresh rate, and vibrant colors. The display delivers crisp, smooth, and vivid visuals. The ultra-narrow cabinet side saves installation space and gives the display a cleaner, more stylish appearance, perfect for modern commercial environments. With positioning pins built in, cabinet assembly becomes much easier. Simply align the units, tighten the screws, connect the cables, and the setup is done. Thanks to the magnetic module design, removal and installation are quick and simple. With the help of a tool, modules can be removed easily, making maintenance faster and more efficient. Clearer visuals, easier installation, simpler maintenance. The IF500 Indoor Double-Sided LED Display helps. Your space stands out with confidence.